Good morning again, Jamaica. Good morning. We're going to be here until 8:30. It's a good day. Everybody say it with me. It's a studio. I love when Tivoli is with me. And as you know, our fifth Prime Minister and longest serving member of Parliament, the most Honorable Edward Philip George Siaga, died in Miami yesterday. And we're going to see a feature now. Yes. In a minute, we're going to see a feature and have a chat with a political analyst on the legendary Eddie later on. But first, the Tivoli Gardens Dance Troupe will lead us with a tribute. Are you ready? Yes. Everybody say it's a good day. Let's do it.
Privileged to share such wonderful moments with such a man. Oh, what a man. A unique style. Hey, so much like a child. Oh, he's destined to Zion. His message through the universe oftentimes goes an outburst. Hey, he's a legend. I know, yes I know he's a legend. Yes I know, yeah. He's a legend, my brother man. He's a legend. He's a legend. Strength and perseverance, love and wisdom too. He said, "Oh Lord, I got to keep on moving." Ooh-wee, ooh-ah. Again, then came a feeling of confidence in this brother's virtue. Hear him say, oh yeah, where there's a will. Jah for the blessings, grateful are we. Prophecy fulfilled, sealing history. Young and old, story been told. Young and old. Story been told. He's a legend. Hallelujah. He's a legend.